Tonight, a teen is in custody after University City police say he admitted to stealing 2 cars on the same day. Good evening. I'm Mike Bush. Ann Allred has the night off. It happened at 2 businesses, including the new Costco, an area currently being developed to attract more foot traffic. Authorities tell our Brent Solomon this means a need for a more visible police presence. Brent.
Mike, I just checked in with officials here at U City Police. They say new business coming into town, that's a good thing. But it also means time to rethink things. They already do patrols in the Loop. They say it's now time to add new ground to their territory. Signs of growth on Olive Boulevard in University City. There's the Costco, Panera, and a countdown for even more businesses.
We're really excited for the Chick-fil-A, and we just ate at Chipotle tonight.
Those who live in the area are loving it.
Definitely good for the community, more tax dollars to spend in New City.
Authorities realize growth can come with challenges.
And with any new development, you're going to have issues that concern crime.
Right now, this teenager is behind bars. Police say Tyrese Marbley admitted to stealing 2 cars in the area late last month. One outside the Dollar Tree on Olive, and then later that day, another at the Costco as the victim was pumping gas. He had a machine gun on him when police arrested him.
I did not know that.
That's not all. Also last month, police say a minor stole a woman's purse at Costco. 2 weeks later, more crimes with cars at the same location. Now police are getting busy.
We have a 7-day-a-week Olive Special Business District Development Patrol, which means that there's going to be an officer strictly in the area for our Olive Business District, conducting walkthroughs, conducting some foot patrols, visiting the businesses.
While they do their part, they remind you to do yours.
You know, there's signs up that let patrons know to turn off your engine and take your keys with you. It only takes a second for someone who has ill intent to come and hop into the vehicle while you're on the other side of the vehicle, or to open a door and grab a purse.
Taking you back live now, an adult and a minor are also in custody regarding these crimes. Police say when you're getting gas, take your keys with you and lock your doors. Always be vigilant, especially in dark areas, and remember to keep those valuables out of plain sight. Mike.
Brent, thanks.